Hello students, today's new topic that is nouns. किसी व्यक्ति वस्तु अथवा स्थान के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. Nouns are naming words. They name persons, places and things. There are 5 kinds of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Now first of all we are looking proper noun. The name given to a particular person, place or thing, like Rachit, like Pratibha, like Suraj, that is a person name. Delhi, that is a name of place. Ganga, that is a name of river. Gita, that is a name of holy book. That is called proper noun. Next, common noun. A name that is common and can be used for persons or things of the same class or kind. Like boy, there are 50 students in my class, like this. City, friend, book, etc. These are called common noun. Collective noun. A name which stands for a number of persons, animals or things of same kind, like army, group of soldier. Crowd, collection of people. Bunch, collection of flowers, like bunch of grapes. Collection of ships. Here that is called collective nouns. Material nouns. The name of a substance or material of which the things are made of, like gold, silver, stone, wood. These are, yes, the examples are gold, silver, stone, wood, etc. The materials, the things which are made up of material is called material noun. Next, things which have no form, shape or size or weight or color, which cannot be seen or touched. Examples: bravery, friendship, honesty, childhood. So these are the no shape, no size. That is a kind of abstract noun, like bravery, honesty and childhood. Clear beta? Now, nouns can be put into two broad classes. One is countable noun and the another one is uncountable noun. Countable nouns. Nouns which can be counted. Common and collective noun come into this category. They may be singular or plural, like a boy, two boys, many boys. So collective noun and the common noun come in this category. Clear beta? Now uncountable nouns. Nouns that we cannot count, like water, milk, friendship, truth. Material and abstract noun fall in this category, and they may not neither be singular neither be plural. Clear beta? But in countable noun we are looking, they may be singular or plural. Now following nouns have no plural form, they are used in singular only. Now these are some exceptions are there: furniture, stationery, poetry, advice, hair, physics, mathematics, news, exams. They are used in singular only. Furniture, stationery, poetry, advice, hair, physics, mathematics, news, measles, mums, etc. So these are some exceptions are there. They have no plural form. The following nouns are used in plural only: cattle, gentle, gentry, people, riches, cranks, arms, scissors, shoes, socks, shorts, trouser, vegetables, wedges. Clear? Now, these are some exercise. Now, let me can start so we can understand more better. There are 6 members in my. Now, this is a kind of collective noun. I have already explained you collective noun. Now, look at here: army, group of soldier, crowd, collection of people. So, there are 6 members in my family. Clear, beta? Next, we admire the dash of the Taj. Means this is a kind of abstract noun. They are just quality. The Taj Mahal is very beautiful and it is very famous in Agra, and many tourists are coming in this India for visiting Taj Mahal. So we admire the beauty of the Taj. This is a dash thread. That is a kind of material noun. The thread is made up of cotton, or maybe the thread. This is a cotton thread. Here beta, this is kind of material noun. A lion lived in a cave. Here beta, that is a proper noun. There are 50 dash in my class. There are 50 students. That is kind of collective noun. Dash is a very costly matter. That is also material noun. So gold. You know gold? Gold is a very costly. Our football dash lost the match. Our football team. That is also collective noun. This joke created a lot of dash. This joke created a lot of humor. That is also abstract noun. Here beta. Humor. Humor. So these are the some exercise. You again just revise all the topics. That is the name, place and persons, things, that is called noun. Yes, now various kinds of noun are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. The name given to a person, place or thing, that is Rachit. Yes, for example, Rachit, the name of person, Delhi, the name of place, Ganga, the name of river. Common noun, a noun name that is common and can be used for persons or things of the same class and count, like boy, city, friend, book, etc. Clear beta? Now, yes, collective noun. A name which stands for a noun, number of persons, animals or things of the same kind, like army, group of soldier, crowd, collection of people, bunch, collection of flowers. So these are the examples of collective nouns. Material noun. The name of a substance or material of which the things are made of. Gold, silver, stone, wood, etc. These are made up of material, that's why it is called abstract noun. Next. These are made of material, that is called material noun. Clear? Now abstract noun. Things which have no form, shape or size or weight or color, which cannot be seen or touched. Bravery, friendship, honesty, childhood. Here we can, no shape, no form, no weight. We can only feel it. We cannot be seen or touched. That like bravery, friendship, honesty and childhood. Next, nouns can be divided into two broad classes. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Nouns which can be counted. That is come in the category of collective noun and common noun. And they may be singular or plural like a boy, two boys, many boys. Uncountable noun. Nouns that cannot be counted like water, milk, friendship, truth, etc. Material and abstract noun fall in this category and they are neither singular or neither plural. Now some exceptions are there. The following nouns have no plural form. They are used in singular only like furniture, stationery, poetry, advice, hair, physics, mathematics, news, measles, mums, etc. The following nouns are used in plural form only. These are also the some exceptions. Cattle, gentle, gentry, people, ditches, thanks, arms, Caesar, shoes, socks, shorts, trouser, vegetable.